But the most basic things that feel so natural to you, normal to you, you could do it with your eyes closed, that's what you should be teaching. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs and business owners to take back their free time, generate additional revenue, and celebrate while living that work from anywhere lifestyle through creating online courses and digital education. So I'm super excited that you are here. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Right? Let's get it. Text and party peeps, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First, and today we're going to talk about the confidence gap. And I'm going to bring this one really quick because I got some meetings and things to attend to. Today is also my niece's birthday, so shout out to you, Samara. Happy birthday. Another teenager. Okay, I'm like, whoa. But let's get into it really quickly. Let's talk about the confidence gap and how you're more expert than you may think. If you don't know what I do here, again, my name is Dr. Sonia. I talk all things premium courses, whether they're online or face-to-face, how to take your knowledge, wisdom, life experiences, turn them into the format of premium courses, luxury coaching, mentorship, brands, and programs, so you get your message out to the world, because you are not supposed to stay local. You're supposed to be what? Global. All right, let's get into it real quick. So a lot of times there's this confidence gap for high performers specifically. And I always talk about high performers because they're my favorite people to work with. They are who I am. Okay, so if you're watching this, it's likely you are a high performer, a high achiever. You are somebody who just gets stuff done. So you already know you have a lot of knowledge. You have an area of expertise. You're really good at probably a few different things, okay? And so let's be completely honest. And even if you're not good at the thing that you set out to do, you make sure that you take the time to learn it, to experience it fully, and dive in completely. You go all in on most things that you do. The confidence gap happens between the stuff that we know about, we think we know about the most, and then the stuff that we don't, right? So then there's this gap in between there. Here's the key for your premium courses. You do not, I'm going to say it again, you do not need to know everything there is to know about your area of expertise before you start teaching it. You can lean into what you already know. There are people who are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps behind you, okay? I always say keep it to like between 1 and 3 steps behind where it is that you currently are, because that's fresh, okay, for you, and you're able to really dive into the emotions. You remember where you were, what you were feeling, what you were thinking, a lot better around the 1 to 3 steps behind where you currently are. It's so much easier to teach. You can still lean into the steps prior to that, but start there, okay? Because again, you do not need to know everything there is to know. You are confident about what you do know, so teach that. And then the more you grow forward, because I always believe you should be continuing to elevate, you should be continuing to grow, especially if you are mentoring other people, teaching other people, leading other people. So the more you elevate, the more you get to know about your area of expertise or what it is that you are currently doing, the more you can start to teach later, right? Like the more your program will continue to grow. So you can add additional courses, additional concepts, and deliver those however in whatever format you want to deliver those in. But what feels basic to you? Like that piece. So a lot of times, again, high performers, we think we got to go all in, figure stuff out, everything out before we teach it. But the most basic things that feel so natural to you, normal to you, you could do it with your eyes closed, that's what you should be teaching. That's somebody else's breakthrough. That's something that somebody needs, okay? It feels natural to you. Like, for instance, for me, creating courses comes naturally. So I can do it in a day. I can kind of do it at this point with my eyes closed, okay? I know whenever somebody tells me an idea that they have or what their area of expertise is or what their proficiency is, it's very easy for me to break down how that could be developed into a premium course or an online course, all right? And so that's the piece. Figure out the gap is what feels basic to you is the breakthrough for somebody else. So you have to figure out, pause and acknowledge that you have overcome some things to get where it is that you are. And then you figure out, okay, what piece of that am I most knowledgeable in? Do I feel comfortable in teaching? All right. And let me
let me rephrase that, because sometimes you won't feel comfortable right off. Okay. Sometimes it takes a little bit of poking from an expert, prodding from an expert like myself to figure out, okay, is this your actual area of expertise? But when you're working with someone who is proficient in something that maybe you feel you're still learning, they can identify what the area of expertise is or what it is that you should be moving forward on. Okay, so with that said, shameless plug, if you need some help figuring out what your area of expertise is or what you should be teaching, jumpfirstacademy.org is where you want to go to get started. There's a free training over there. Plus, it'll walk you through my Teach It method and how to discover your premium course topic. And there's an opportunity to schedule a strategy session with me as well, so we can walk through those steps for getting your expertise packaged, okay? The strategy session is currently complimentary. If you want to skip the training and jump straight into the strategy session, you do have to apply for it, but it's a really quick, easy application, and it'll give us both more insight about what this looks like and what we're building together. So you can skip the training and go straight to the strategy session by going to jumpfirstacademy.org/apply. Okay, I think that's all I have for today. Let me check my notes really quickly. Yep, so the key takeaway from this, there's a confidence gap between what you know really well and what you don't know. And I need you to know that you can teach the thing you can teach the thing you know really well while you're uncovering the thing that you don't know that well. Okay, I call this getting paid while you practice, or getting paid to practice. You can absolutely do that. Oh no. Oh no, hold on. Let me take this thing out. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna remove the mic. Okay, can you hear me? I don't know. I'm about to give up on these mini mics. Hopefully you can hear me. All right, the key takeaway for today, hopefully there was some sound at some point during this episode, but the key takeaway for today is that expertise isn't about knowing everything, okay? I appreciate y'all. Thank you, Southern Girl. I appreciate it. Critter Mercs, your name is very interesting. Let me know how you got that name, that screen name. Let me know. But I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for letting me know that there was no sound. So the confidence gap, teach what it is that you know a lot about while you're uncovering what else there is to know about your area of expertise. I call it getting paid while you practice. There's no reason for you to go through and wait until you have all the pieces together before you start putting out your knowledge, before you start teaching from your experiences, your expertise. You can do that now. So I want you today to pause and acknowledge what you've overcome, and then package it this way. Or think about it this way, shift in perspective. Your journey is your area of expertise. You have lived it, okay? Remember, expertise is just your lived experiences and what you know a lot about. That's it. A lot of people overcomplicate this. So what struggle did you overcome that you now take for granted? Think about it that way. That's what you should be teaching. What struggle did you overcome that you're now taking for granted? Teach that, all right? And if you need some help, again, jumpfirstacademy.org to get started with the free training, jumpfirstacademy.org/apply to jump straight into a strategy session with me. I love y'all so much. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna check and make sure this thing had sound at some point, all right? But hopefully you got what you needed to get out of this today, and we're gonna go charge the mini mics because I don't know what's going on. I love y'all so much, and I'll see y'all back here tomorrow. Bye, y'all.